Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. We'll talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. So, welcome to today's video update. We'll update the cryptocurrency portfolio, something I've been doing for the last just about a year. And today's no different. So I'm going to update this cryptocurrency portfolio. Make sure you stay to the end because after the update, I'm going to talk about something of importance. Also understand that I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner or accountant or so on. So do your own due diligence, your own research before you make a financial decision. It's not a financial advice video. Also understand that all investing can be risky, so don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. So that I'm going to share my screen and go to the spreadsheet and start the update. So today's date is the 17th of January, and there's 3 columns, as you know. For those who have been watching this series, know the drill. 3 columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and totals column. And the green is when it's gone forward on the previous day. Red is when it's gone backward on the previous day. So we'll see where we are today. So I get the figures on this page here. This particular portfolio comes in from a live feed into an asset group, and I got the final figures here. Consists of 1 whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially selected alternative coins or altcoins, and then that's the total column. So what we've got here is sorry, this on the left hand side is US dollars, this is British pounds, and this is the percentage split. Same portfolio. So 159,260, 94. So what? 159,260, 94. 159,260.94. Right, yeah. So let's okay, it's a drop. So that's a drop minus the minuses. Okay, so previous day, which was a couple of days ago, and the totals column 201, 915.71, 201, 915.71. See if we got that is also a drop a couple of days ago, and so basically it's red all over. So the altcoins are down 4,975. Bitcoin is down $211, and the total portfolio is down 181. That's fine. Let's take a look at the markets. So the market currently is around 2 trillion, just over 2 trillion. It seems to have fallen slightly since I looked at it not too recently. So it seems to be pointing downwards. So we have some money coming into the financial markets, into the crypto markets. And if I were to zoom in a little bit, obviously, yeah, this is pointing downwards on the 6-hour chart. So we shall see. So look, Bitcoin, 42,500. There was a time, believe it or not, when it was 4,000. And that was a long time ago, but you know, some people don't understand the journey of Bitcoin and appreciate what it's done. They get hung up on it being 42,000. And remember, back, let's go back these times, what, 700. Whereas, let's say here, 7,000. Around here it was 3,800. Yeah. Early 2019. So that's 3 years ago. 2019, 2020, 2021, yeah. Around 2 years ago, let's go to this date, 17th. January. The 17th of January. Whatever. 17. It's close enough. Around the same time, Bitcoin was 4,000 actually. 4,000. But 4,000, you see on the left-hand side, and 42 cents. And now it's more than 10 times that 3 years later, which is incredible. People get hung up about it being 42,000. So it's gone a long, long way. And one day, you know, where it is now and where it will be, one day that will make today look like the way that looked like 4,000. When Bitcoin is 400,000 or 500,000. And then we say, remember there was a time when Bitcoin was 42,000 and most people will laugh and can't even think, was it really that low? So now you've got the opportunity that you're here right now and it's this low. Take advantage. Take advantage if you're not taking advantage. Okay, it's great. Price is great. Everything that's happened with Bitcoin is great. It's all great. Because I tell you what, in a few years' time, when it is 400,000, 500,000, you'll wish the price can just go down to 42,000 just for 10 minutes so you can buy. Now you've got all day, you've got, you know, days. So what are you doing with the opportunity? Here with the Garcian channel, pulled it down into the tunnel, back into the tunnel in December, entered and tried to come up, but was pulled down deeper under the medium line. So it's pretty bearish right now. We've got like 3 red candles, pretty bearish signs, struggling to get above this white line, which I put here as support, but it's now being used as resistance. And we'll see how it holds on, whether it will gather enough momentum to get beyond this white line, beyond this red and into the amber, then the green. But this could be a danger zone for Bitcoin. For those who were wanting it to go up, the danger zone. For those who want to go down, it's party time, it's great. And for those who are indifferent like myself, it makes no difference. I make money anyway. Just cross happened on the 14th of January. And now we'll see where these lines are projecting the next meeting, you know, possibly the way things are looking. March, April, I don't know, we need to cross back up and over before we then see the price action start to follow that. So these are like projections, and they change, they're not fixed in stone. So we'll see how the price action develops. We'll see where these dotted lines are. Make sure you stay, you know, posted, keep watching the videos and we'll keep you up to date. So the MVT indicator signaling bullish, bearish. Sorry about that. Bearish at the moment with this white patch here, down below here. It's signaling that this is very, very bearish at the moment. We'll see whether it will change back into red. When it's red, it's bullish upwards. When it's white, it means the market is heading downwards. So, you know, for those who want to take advantage, you can take advantage of that. And the ADXL is still bearish with the red on top and the high trend, very powerful trend. It's tapered off a little bit, it's flattening a little bit, which means that it's not moving downwards with such ferocity, but it's still downwards. And so, you know, not until these come to meet and swap over and we have the green on top like we had here or here, do we enter more bullish circumstances. So on the whole, everything's bearish, which is good. It depends on what side of the fence you're on, or bad, or indifferent. Basically, it's activity. And you know, those who want to make money from the activity, whether up or down, those are the fortunate ones. So overall, another great day in the office for some. And but make sure you stay tuned. And there's nothing wrong with the market. It's just taking its time to reach its destination. It's not going to do it in our time. It's going to do it when it's good and ready. So don't be in such a hurry and learn to make money anyway, regardless of whether it's at the top or not. Yeah, you want to visit our website if you want to find out how to make money. IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down to this thing here. Fill in the short form. Fill in the short form. Get your millionaire mindset, investor strategy now. We'll talk about the right kind of mindset you need to have to develop that prosperity mindset, and the right one of the right basic principles, strategies for investing. So get that information free while it's still available, and then also stay tuned for other messages you might get from myself that talk to you about other opportunities. So with that, I'm going to end it there. If you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification button, and share the video, and so on and so forth. Thanks very much for your attention. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.